You can see small spider, blister beetle, red small millipede, cockroach, and this one is snake. Catch him, couch. It's so scary. Chico. And now I found salt. I really don't know. Wow, there are so many cricket here. Now you can see it is the big cricket, and this one is smaller than this one. So I will cut this one. I put it here. You can see. This is a black cricket. This one is black. I put it here. Now I catch two cricket. Now I found him. This is. I will catch it again. Now I caught it. This is the brown. This one is brown cricket, not black. This is brown cricket. This one is black. It's different color. This one is black cricket, and this one is brown cricket. Very fast. He ran very fast. This one is brown, not brown cricket, not black cricket. It's brown. This is the brown cricket. Very fast. He ran very fast. Now I caught it. I caught him. And I really sorry about my English language. I will catch it. He ran very fast. Now, wow, this one is brown cricket. Oh, this is here. I will catch it again. Yes, I caught it. It's so beautiful cricket. This is one more cricket. I love cricket. And this is one more. This is one more cricket. Wow, he ran very fast. Yeah. This one is brown cricket. Now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 cricket. Now I found one more cricket here. There are so many cricket around here on the night 8 p.m. Now I will catch him again. This one is brown. Yeah, you can see clearly. Yeah, I will catch him. Now I think I caught it. I caught him. Yeah, very big. Now I see one more cricket. Oh, two. It is one more. Yes, now I found 2 cricket. Wow, he very fast. So I will catch this one. Wow, he very fast. This is one more. 1, 2, 2 cricket around here. Wow, I counted. And this is one more. And this one is spider. You can see small spider here. This one is spider. Small spider. Yeah. And this one is brown cricket. Wow. And you can see this one is blister beetle. Where did he go? Oh, I found it. Wow, it's very hot. You see, I found the blister beetle. Yes, he ran very fast. And now I found one more insect. This is the millipede, red small millipede. Yeah, red small millipede. You can see it red color, so I call it red millipede. And this one is cockroach. Yes, I count it. Cockroach. Black. It is black. And this one is snake. I I don't catch him. This one is snake. Yellow snake. You can see this is a small snake, and this is the grasshopper. And you can see grasshopper here. This one I will catch him. Yes, now I catch him. The cricket, the grasshopper. This one also another grasshopper. And this is one more grasshopper. And this one is snake. Yeah. This one is grasshopper. Yeah. This one is worm. I don't know clearly in English, but I call it worm. Yes, now I count snake, small snake. This one is very small snake. Now I very lame. Wow, now I found one more scorpion. It's Venus scorpion. It's black. It's black color. It's so scary about this one. Don't touch him if you don't have this. Don't touch him without gloves with your hand. Now I will catch him. Yes. It's so scary. Wow, and this is one more millipede. Red millipede. Red small millipede. This is one more. And now you can see this is Chico. This is small Chico. Now he ran away. This one is Chico. Yeah. He ran so fast, this one. And now I found toad. This toad is very big. Yeah. Yes, this is toad, not frog. This is, it's called toad. Toad.